Global Yatra. Today is 20th September. Look at the family sitting here, enjoying. It's been cloudy. Last night also we had rain. Little baby, look at that. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Wow. Yo. Good morning, Goblota. Hello, hello. So it is a little bit better now, not hot. Right on. I'm from Ed. Yaisa. I don't know from how he find. Somebody gave him Yaisa. Oh, too much trash here. Side down, side down. Oh, Krishna. Vasudevaya Namah. Oi. Om Krishna. Om Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. I have banana, but Bandha doesn't know that I am back home. It's already 2 days I keep banana in my room. I hope they get message that I am home. Yo. Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh la 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 la. Morning. साई राम बेटा और सब ठीक है साई राम साई राम साई राम आई एम इन आश्रम रोड बाबा आश्रम रोड still it is closed Baba will help us invite us there to science rising my Satyavai Sannat Sarvakutodya two vegetarian flowers. Om Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. Rooftop. No, but thank you. Sai Ram, Sai. Very cloudy. Go side down, side down. Shops are open, no customers. Shops are open, no tourists. No tourists. Side down, side down. Side down, side down. Side down. It's open now. It's already open. Sai Ram.
Hello.
What do you have? Amma क्या है?
Amma, finish now.
Huh?
Breakfast finish.
खाली breakfast है. Okay. I ordered one gobi Manchurian. I take home with me. Yo yo yo. Yo yo yo. I come back in 5 minutes ना. आप बनाओ मैं आता है.
70 rupees.
अरे बाबा I am here. मैं सिर्फ वीडियो बना रहा
I
हूँ.
know. But this time also no possible gobi Manchurian. You prepare the gobi Manchurian. Please, give the money. Only that me that.
You take money. Putta patti. अभी नहीं. हाँ. You want deposit money first. I said, you making food? I'll come back in 10 minutes. This is our ashram. All empty here. Nobody's around here. Om Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. Om Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. Om Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. Dr. Damodar. Sai Ram, how are you? How are you? How are you? Now I'm visiting my friend office. He's Dr. Damodar, and he offers us some tea, and he's very kind. Always try to help us. He always asks if we need something. Sometimes even when restaurant was closed, he offered us to have lunch, and it was so nice of him. And he used to call us sometime and say, take some lunch for you at home. It was very, very kind, very nice thing. Yeah. Yeah. His office is just next to the Baba Gate, Gopuram. He's a dentist, very popular here. And soon ashram will open, he said. They won't allow us to spend much time inside. Only they will allow us to darshan and go out. Not sitting anywhere, not allowed sitting anywhere. We'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you for everything. Yeah. So, Baba blessing. Yeah. So you've been here all the time? Since
I'm always here only, I will not go anywhere.
Yeah, always.
ATM like that.
Yeah, that's
360 days, no vacation.
wow, wow, wow.
Yes,
Yeah.
because whenever 27th will open, they are telling you,
Yeah.
Swami Grace,
Yes.
some people will come.
Of course.
They are conducting Dasra festival also.
Right.
Next month 17th will start Dasra festival.
The Sharaf.
27th the festival is there.
Yeah.
So they are thinking Yajnam also, they are conducting Yajnam 5 days.
Very nice. Yeah, we need some action.
Yes.
Yeah.
People want to roam.
Right.
Otherwise, they will sit alone.
Tired.
They
Getting
are
tired.
very upset.
Yeah, a lot of stress people get.
Lot of stress.
Lot of stress
Because
get.
unnecessary sitting 1 day, 2 days is okay. 7 months, since 7 months,
Long time.
everybody is sitting homes.
Long time. It's been long
No
time.
work, no business,
Yeah.
no money, very difficult.
Very sad. But you people were helping a lot to others. I enjoy very much.
I am the only one doctor open here.
Yeah.
Everybody is closed for Corona.
Yes. And you were giving free
Yes.
upma for many
Yes,
time,
yes.
many things. Very nice thing doing. It's Baba blessing to you. It's so nice. Yeah, everything is very good. Yeah. Your family is in Anandapur or
Yes, yes, everybody is Anand.
Anandapur? Yes, yes. Yeah, very nice, very good. I always enjoy talking to you. It's my pleasure, my pleasure.
I have seen, but you didn't appear 2 days, 3 days back also. When you
I came back on 18th. I came back on 18th.
2 days back only.
Yeah, I came back around 2:30 in Bangalore airport. Taxi
How
picked
is
me up.
climate in Haridwar?
It was very good, a little bit hot,
Uh-huh.
but they are repairing for the
Yes, yes.
Kumbh festival. Next year is the Kumbh festival.
Yes, yes.
They were repairing a lot of places. Yeah, my favorite place is Haridwar.
Haridwar.
We go 3-4 times a year for sure.
Very
Yes, yes. It's
Rishikesh, Haridwar.
yeah, yeah. It's a blessing of Nanda Mother, you know.
Yes, yes.
And I know very good.
Varanasi.
Varanasi we go sometime, but we go more Haridwar. And we know very good Ayurveda family in Haridwar, doctor. Very nice family.
Name?
His name is, they called Rama Oshadalya.
Okay.
He is 99 years old
Oh, my God.
and he's still working. His children, grandchildren.
Ramdev Baba also staying there only near Haridwar.
Yeah, I know. His ashram is about 10 kilometers from the city. And this our Baba, very nice doctor. He gives the medicine for very cheap price. I visit his family this time. He was not in shop because of lockdown. He doesn't come to shop anymore. But normally he's coming. He's 99, still working, good health. It's called Shri Ram Oshadalya. It's all Ayurveda. They make their own medicine.
Very good.
Everything their own, nothing from outside.
There's a lot of plants available.
Yes, yes, yes. And his father started that work. It's more than 100 years old. Yeah, it's very, very, very nice. Very nice one, doctors. Because he told us your stomach need to be cleared. So long time it was finished, so I brought with me. Yes, it's very important.
Ayurvedic first treatment is they want to wash your stomach.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then all infections will go through motion.
Yes, yes, yes. It's very important, very nice. Very good. Very
So we open pharmacy also. See?
Yeah, I see that. It's nice.
No problem.
Nice to have a pharmacy. A lot of people need something. It's very important. You know, next place, there was somebody named Pawan. Somebody does massage here, I heard.
Here no.
No?
There.
There? What is his name? Pawan, somebody.
Here only one is
From Kerala.
Kerala.
I know him.
One is, Pawan
Arun.
Arun.
Arun, but he was not there last time. Yeah. That's nice.
So
Oh.
next trip where you are going?
I will go to Russia. I will go to Russia.
When?
When flight starting, I will go.
So when they are giving any date?
We have to wait and check. Probably coming next month, they will
Every
open.
month they are postponing.
Yeah, but they have to open for sure. They have to open. They have to open for sure. They cannot keep long.
Bring tea.
Yeah, yeah. They cannot keep all the time like this. Otherwise, already bankruptcy will come.
Yes.
And I checked in Delhi in the news. Indian government borrowed twice big money from Asian. This is Damodar's place. He writes in the calendar also. Baba bless him. Side towards Super Science Bazaar. Now I go pick up my gobi Manchurian and go home. That will be my lunch. Baba, Swami, Swami. Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Om Sai Ram. My gobi Manchurian.
Yeah, making.
अभी तो बना नहीं.
नहीं है वैसे कोटिंग करना ऑयल में फ्राई करना बनाना टाइम लगता है.
कितना टाइम लगता है अभी?
अभी 10-15 मिनट लगाएगा.
अभी आधा घंटे बाद तो आया हम. ओ यो. They are still making. Not ready yet. Making my gobi Manchurian. This is Neem Tree restaurant. Neem Tree. They have a hotel also upstairs. Ready. Yummy, Lucy. Yummy. This is gobi Manchurian. I bring from Neem Tree. Gonna eat at home. Guten Appetit. Tasty. Now what does that?